so unique. I mean, there's just nothing like them. Small block with 3 Holleys sitting on top of it. Chet Biggers. I'm at the Holley MoParty today. Beautiful weather, loving it. And I'm from Ashland City, Tennessee. It's a lifelong dream to have one of these AAR Cudas. Started when I was really young. Saw one at an old car show, and I was about 14 or 15, and I thought, gosh, blackout hood, these strobe stripes, the side exit exhaust, I just had to have one. And I started restoring it in 2013, found it in Florida, and it was most together. I bought it from the second owner. Thank God for my daddy. He had the shop. He taught me how to work on these cars when I was young. I was able to do the restoration myself, and just because of what he had taught me growing up. And once I got acclimated to all the things that are new, it started falling in place, and I got lucky. My dad come up from Arkansas, and we rented a paint booth and sprayed it. We spent about a week painting different parts of it, and then when we got done, it's the fun part, putting it together. So it took me 5 years, and I basically worked on it every weekend. It's a 4-speed car, front and rear color bumpers, which is a rare option. Then you add the rear window louvers, it's even rarer option. 346 pack, you know, think of that. It's unique to the AAR. They wanted to compete in the Trans Am Racing Series with the Camaros and the Machs and the Mustangs. So they had to build a certain amount. They ended up with 2,724 AAR Cudas. They had to make them for the public in order to compete in that Trans Am Racing Series. I'm driving it more. 3 years restoration, I've got 210 miles on it. All the friends that I have gotten because of this car. It's all about the people. It's just unbelievable what cars and people, when they come together, what they can do and how much fun they can have.